Out mo lang sa PTB.
I guess I think.
They're probably 2 engages.
Ginawa
or
ko
60 man
ng tier
party.
9
Maybe a
yung
very small bomb squad.
guardian
Okay.
boots ko para mas malaki yung HP.
Oh,
60.
Yo, everyone, this one. Come fast. Bunker set in Fisher. Luan Vu, go party 2. Can somebody invite
Ready,
party 2?
defend,
Bobby, hello?
Party 2 full.
Can you go party 3? Can you start inviting party 3 now? Yo, food up. Yo, check out if they have bombs, please. Yo, listen, Yagam is on a hodge, okay? He's on a hodge, so be careful of him. I'm gonna mark Mozart also. He's an Trun. Careful, everyone. Defend. They have another gate. Listen, brawler only, okay? Brawler only on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brawler only. Hold on.
Engage
Southeast.
Demon CD.
Headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now.
Ready for counter.
Come back fast.
Ready
Cleanse up front. Yeah, listen, gate's about to break. They have 2 engages, okay? Brawlers, get ready to just brawl them out, okay? Oh, I need more healers, guys. We're lacking healers. Yo, Snowfell, hello. You're getting damage there on the fucking gate. Hello.
DC.
Ready
Oh,
to
what a very stupid
Gardon
Bisaya.
or cleanse
Oh my
Snowfell
God. What a
DC ata,
very
DC
fucking
ata.
stupid Bisaya. And no shit, man.
Just stepping in.
Stupid ass Bisaya. Yo, heal him.
Ano na yun?
Bridge,
Oh, she already,
engage,
okay.
Gardon.
Everyone knows you already.
Ano?
Pry, engage, Gardon.
Need another fallen on my
Engage
party
Gardon
still.
tsaka defend Demon. Sige, ako na muna engage yung Demon.
Tokontol is main calling this, okay? Understand, Tokontol is main calling this.
Stepping
Mark
in.
Tokontol. They have a jug also. Please, Behemoth, spam on this jug also.
They want to.
Yo, brawlers on the gate only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brawlers on the gate only. Come back.
Ready mo counter?
Yo, listen. They have to engage. Defend shallow. Heal up. They have another engage. They
I
have
drop
another
my demon,
engage.
I drop my
I'm
demon, I
taking
drop my
only.
demon.
Wait.
Pacover
Step
engage
up,
demon,
step up.
break, check my demon ka.
Fake only. Step up. Come back.
Resetting.
Cleanse. Ready defense.
Resetting also.
Gate broken na.
Careful front
No.
line.
Yung demon ko,
Yeah,
10
the
seconds.
Brawlers to come, please.
Sige,
Yeah,
meron
they have a
ako.
kidnap.
Defensive
They have a
demon.
kidnap, okay. Where's my other behemoth? I have 2 behemoths, right?
Support's ready to soak. Gate is
Aggressive.
open.
We are start.
Yo, careful of the Hodge. Listen, too many up front. Spread northwest. Careful of those. They're stepping up.
They're looking.
Yo, brawlers only. 5, 4,
I drop
3,
demon, I drop
2,
demon.
1. Brawlers only. Brawlers only. Ay, wait. Hold only.
Nice.
Hold only.
Ready for counter. They might have another engage.
Just wait.
I'm resetting.
Careful, they're trying to kidnap, guys.
Okay, they have 8.4 sa Labamba doon.
Bridge, I go
Yeah,
around
solo.
north, okay?
But
You can
careful.
cover.
Yo, listen. Careful. They're gonna step up again.
the left side.
Ready to
Next one,
hold.
they're
Ready
gonna
to
look
ano.
for this.
Defend shallow. Wait.
Wait.
Brawlers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brawler shallow.
Dropping demon.
Hold.
Engage
Hold
demon
on,
CD,
hold on.
engage
Everyone,
demon CD.
southeast on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast choke down.
Ready cleanse.
Come back. They're gonna push in. Hold them.
Ready defend. Ready lang.
Get ready to hold them. Get ready to CC them. They're gonna walk through. They're walking through. Just hold them. Silence the choke. Just hold them. Spread. 8 seconds. Malika, hold. Spread. Push it now. Walk in. Push it now. On the choke.
I
5,
demon already.
4,
Nice,
3,
nice.
2, 1. Choke now.
Ready to cleanse.
Ah,
Cleanse the choke. Cleanse the choke.
Getting brawled out.
Listen. Come back. Spread. Tanks hold them. Spread. Yo,
Yes,
brawl
ako.
inside only. Spread and brawl only. Spread and brawl only.
They still have engage, guys. They have to engage. Careful na
Wala
dyan.
na akong
They're
demon.
stepping up again.
Okay, I have demon.
Yo, brawlers on the choke. 5, 4, 3,
Dropping
2,
engage demon.
1. On the choke only, brawlers. On the choke only. Wait.
Caller inside,
Come
caller
back.
inside, caller
Tanks
inside,
hold them,
caller
tanks hold
inside.
them. On the choke, everyone. 5. Headbutt. 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt choke. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Why you guys kasi on the back, man? Why you guys on the back? You know that they're gonna push the back line. Heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up. Heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up only, heal up only, heal up only, heal up only, heal up
Resetting,
only.
resetting.
Why you guys on the back?
Pinching up,
Why is the
pinching up.
brawlers on the
Caller inside,
back?
caller inside.
You know that they're gonna push the back line. Careful, they're gonna engage your side. Stop looting. They're gonna look on the
Ah,
gate. They're
kung
gonna
ang
look on the
daming...
gate.
Daming low,
Heal up,
guys.
heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up. Careful, 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 careful.
Ganun.
Spread, spread, spread. Heal up, heal up. Everyone, ready defenses, okay? Yo, listen, on the
I
gates.
don't have
5,
English room, I don't have
4,
English team.
3, 2, 1.
Ako,
Gate, gate,
ako,
gate, gate.
ako.
Heba, 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 heba.
fuck.
Oh my
I got-
goodness, where's the demons?
Kala,
Could go behind.
kakaano ko lang. Low ako eh,
Come back,
pumasok
come back
ako.
inside. Look here
Tagal
fast.
mahil.
Yo, where's the demons? Offensive.
That's my bad, that's my bad.
Supports.
We only have,
Ay, bago ba dun yan?
2 demons.
Hindi ka ba nag-hit?
Supports.
Are staying on the
Spread. They're gonna look. Ready defenses.
Ready
full
defend, ready
defense,
defend, ready
full
defend,
defense,
ready
full defend now, full defend now, full defend now, full defend now, full defend now. You walk in, walk in, walk in, walk in. Shallow, shallow on top of the tanks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow tank, shallow tank, shallow tank, shallow tank, shallow tank, shallow tank. Come back, come back, come back inside, come back inside, come back inside, come back inside. Cleanse, 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 cleanse. Come back inside, come back inside. They're gonna engage on the gate. They're gonna engage on the gate. Come back inside, come back inside. Spread. Supports! I told you, I need offensive engage. Ready defenses on the gate. Defend on the gate. Defend on the gate. Defend on the gate.
Ready, ready, ready.
Heal up.
They still one engage, they still one engage.
I'm regearing.
Ganda kasi yung dito.
Heal up, heal up, heal up.
Engage them ready.
May isang support ka nag-zone ng pa-forest.
Careful on the wall, guys. Careful on the wall.
Sino walang support dyan sa party niya?
Nag-zone ng forest. Yung support.
Just guard on that guys, just guard on. Manito demon.
Trigger fast.
We lacking demons.
Yo, supports, tell me. Supports, talk. I have 2 root bounds, I have 2 keepers, I
They
have
don't
like
have
more than
bomb,
enough guardians, man.
They're going west move. Careful sa wall, guys.
Careful, careful.
Ano wala?
Ready guard on, ready guard on.
Isa.
Ready guard on the wall. They can engage here.
Isang sakay gun is eh.
Is that over?
Bridge, and
Waiting
dito
for
ka pa,
Mary
nabuhay
Grace.
ka pa?
Just better where you.
Oh.
Like, see where you.
Boxing
Vectums
the
where
first.
Sige,
you.
sige. Ready defend, ready defend. And also like, core stuff guys, help bridge. We have only a few demons.
Everyone get
Ready,
ready.
defend the
Look
wall.
at the gate. Hold. Brawlers only.
They might
Look at
headbutt, they
brawlers on
might
the gate.
headbutt.
Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brawlers only. Brawlers only. Brawlers only. Brawlers only.
Bago sakit.
Everyone headbutt on the gate. 5, headbutt. 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt, 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 headbutt. Full defend also. Full defend also.
Cleanses,
Full defend also.
cleanses,
Full defend also.
cleanses.
Full defend also. Full defend also. Heal me in the front line. Heal me in the front line. Heal me in the front line.
A
Come back.
demon. Reset.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, listen, brawlers, do one engage me first.
May
Until
demon
the
ka pa,
gate's not
Bridge?
broken. Do one engage with me first, okay?
Hold on, 15.
Sige, sige.
Gun ako,
Everyone get
hindi mo
ready.
na ko side
Hold
bat.
on, yeah.
Pagkuling mo binanggit
Nice,
ko.
nice, nice.
Come on.
Guys,
Ready,
okay ka sa,
ready, ready.
sa wall, guys. If you're not defensive.
On the gate, get ready. Oh, do.
Engage garden if meron.
Hold on, hold on.
Turbo.
DPS,
sa
no need
second.
to look. DPS, no need to look.
Yeah, listen, only brawlers again. Only brawlers on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Only brawlers. They're gonna headbutt. Listen. Marika, push on.
Hindi mo na ko.
Push on. Come out.
Nice demon,
Southside,
nice demon,
southside.
nice
5,
demon.
Headbutt. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cleanses, cleanses,
Outside. Come back. Hindi ka naka-engage doon.
Nag-ano na ako, nag-guard doon.
There's no logos.
Nice. Sige, sige.
You're being just
Oh,
being
demon.
offensive, ah. Offensive for the clap engage, not the brawler engage.
9%, 9%.
Listen, spread. They're gonna walk in. They're gonna funnel in.
Looking.
Tank show them. Spread. They're gonna engage inside. Okay, looking inside. They're looking inside. Careful. Okay, hold.
Ready defend, ready defend.
Yo, Marley, get ready. Shallow on the tanks, west side. Step up. Wait. Hold. Hold on. Yo, do not stick here too close to the gate. Do not stick too close to
Someone
the
to
gate. Just
headbutt.
watch the gate, okay? Ready to silence the choke, please. Yeah, listen, we have to engage shallow in the tanks. The moment they step up. The moment they step up, you should engage shallow in the tanks, okay?
Ready defend, ready
Hold on,
defend.
hold on. You get ready to silence. Everyone shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Kill the
Engage
tanks
Demon
inside. Come
CD,
back, come back,
engage
come back,
Demon
come back, come
CD.
back, come back.
Lenses, lenses.
Spread and node. Yo, the silence is late. Listen, the silence is late. The silence is late. The silence of the behemoth is late there.
Guardian
Just focus
cooldown.
on my.
So, kung dito na sila si Rin.
Careful. They're stepping up again. They're gonna engage shallow. Ready Guardian in the front. Listen, get ready, okay? Marlika, very fast engage shallow. Hold.
Shallow color nila.
Okay, okay.
Just hold. Ready defenses. Defend shallow. Heal up. Hold on,
They still have high engage, they still have one engage.
Hold on.
Ready defend, ready
Shallow,
defend.
get ready. Shallow in the tanks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow in the tank.
Engage
Okay,
Demon
come
CD,
back.
engage Demon CD.
Yo, come back. Listen. They're gonna try to funnel in now, okay? Just wait. Yo, ready,
After
tanks,
we
get ready to
engage,
silence
after
the
we
choke.
engage, they
Silence
might
the
walk
choke
in,
now.
ah.
They're stepping up. Tanks hold them. Give me a fake, Give me a fake when they step up. Hold. Listen. They're gonna go deep, okay? Careful. They're gonna do. Ready. Push now. Walk in. Look at the choke. Look deep on the choke. 5,
Nag-demon ako.
4, 3, 2,
Defense sila.
1.
Nice, nice, nice. Sige, sige, sige.
Deep now. Full defend inside.
Lenses,
Ah,
guard up,
matay ako.
lenses.
Gago.
Heal me.
Dead.
Heal me.
If you are in position to cover for me,
But the rest,
just do it. Because usually this is what happens in the support PTB.
Double OC.
We try to do on
Sira
like
weapon mo doy.
to make adjustment on what we have here.
Hindi ko na ba namalayan. Sa point.
So let's just work on what we have right now. Even if we have like thousands of supports, if they're not on PTB, then yeah.
Double OC. The people that have.
First off, you guys will be defensive demon armors, ready to defend.
Yeah,
I
go.
will save my demon armor for engage.
Ayun, hindi ko namalayan yung...
Careful.
Layo ng hatak ko.
Pardon ko.
Ready defend, gates broken.
Ready defenses. They're gonna engage very shallow.
First off, you are the only defensive right now. We only have one mace. We only have
Hello,
one
this ballista
outkeeper.
inside of me. Hello? Some ballista inside my Zerg. Hello, can my behemoth, like, why do I only have one behemoth left here and one ballista? Where's my other behemoth and my other ballista? Ready defenses, they're looking. Very shallow, look at me. On the tanks only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me.
Engage demon CD, engage demon
Come
CD,
back,
ready
come back.
defensive.
Can we cleanly kill the tanks? Clean kill on the tanks, please. On top of the crown. Engage on top of the crown. Yeah, listen, they're gonna step up again soon. Get ready defenses.
Ready
Spread.
defend, ready defend.
Tokontol is stepping up. Tokontol is stepping up. Careful.
Abby, you stop to control.
Yeah, they're looking again. They're looking again. Careful. Why
Ready
is
defend, ready
Sotiban
defend.
outside dying? They're funneling. Spread only. I'm faking only. Oh, no, spread. Ready defense.
Enemy caller inside, enemy caller inside.
Looking inside. Careful on the gate. Listen. Brawlers walking. Defend north.
Defend.
DPS walking. Look at me. Look at the crown. Get ready. Walika, walk in. Potion.
Stop, guys.
Potion on the crown. 5, 4,
Dropping
3,
demon, dropping
2,
demon, dropping
1.
demon.
Crown.
Engage demon CD, engage
Why
demon
did the
CD,
prop get
ready
pulled out
defensive.
somewhere else? Come inside. Tanks peel. They're gonna engage on the gate soon, okay? Listen. Peel. They're gonna engage.
I'm far.
Careful.
I'm on the other side of the
They
gate.
have engaged soon. They're gonna look soon.
Can
Careful on
someone
the gate,
cover
boys.
for
Careful on
engage
the gate.
demon if you have
Nobody die,
demon?
Nobody
Thank
die.
you.
Nobody die. Heal up my front line. Defend on me. Heal up only. Okay? Resode.
Asan chariot natin?
I have no idea. Raven, where are you?
Careful on the walls.
Oh, so why is
Ready
Cerberus
defend.
dead?
Layo lang po.
Oh,
Zero,
spread,
bottom.
spread.
Yeah, just
Listen,
careful
they're
the
gonna
bottom,
funnel
guys.
in
Just
soon,
careful
okay?
the
They're gonna
bottom.
funnel in
Here
soon.
in the
Get
walls,
ready.
careful.
Spread southwest, click the gate you can, okay? Yeah, we need to kill the tanks, smoothly, boys. Ready defenses. It's a fake.
Ready to defend, guys. Ready to defend.
Yeah,
Don't
listen,
let
look at
Mugi
me.
die.
Get ready. Defend shallow. Yeah, get ready. Look at the tanks inside. Just wait. Hold on. Yo, can I get exalted on the healing nodes here? Yo, get ready. Shallow on the tanks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow tank.
Drop engage demon. Engage
Come back,
demon
come back, come
CD.
back,
Engage
come
demon
back, come
CD.
back, come back.
Ready
Can I get
defensive.
exalted rotation on the
Mhm.
healing nodes? They're stepping up. Careful.
Enemy
they're
caller
stepping
on
up.
the gate.
Tanks,
Enemy
tanks, be
caller on the
careful,
gate. Careful,
careful.
careful.
Ready, defend on me.
Nice demon. Nice demon. Nice
Peel
demon.
up.
I die.
You
Is
died?
Pikachu dead?
Die,
What?
die,
Okay,
die.
okay, okay.
Fuck. Why is my outkeepers dying one by one outside?
Guys, do we still have other demon
Yo,
armor?
listen, get ready. Engage on the tanks. Okay, wait. Hold. Yo, listen, step up. We faking only. Step up. Listen, we're gonna fake only, okay? Only fake. Hold. Careful. They're gonna engage on the gate. Already your potions. Wait, hold. Tanks, be careful inside. They're gonna potion. On the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Drop
1.
engage
On the
demon.
gate.
Drop engage demon.
Nice
Engage
one.
demon CD. Engage demon CD. Cleanses.
Peel up. Yo, tanks, be careful. I need some healers in the front line healing my fucking tanks over the wall, man. Can I get like fucking
Tama na
healers
sa
over the
backline.
wall?
Resetting.
Spread.
They have engaged,
Listen,
they have
they're
engaged,
looking
they
again,
defend.
they're looking again. Hold on, careful. The gate's about to break, boys. 38% on the gate. They're gonna look soon. Yo, can my bastion
Caller
push
inching
them
up. Caller
towards me?
inching up. Enemy
Hold.
caller.
Ready. They're gonna funnel in soon. Hold. Ready,
Garden CD.
defense.
Garden CD.
Yo, get ready. Yo, step up.
They missed.
Step up. We're gonna fake only. I'm faking only. Step up.
Guard guys, guard
Push.
run
I'm
this
faking
knight
only.
armor. Guard run this knight
Hold,
armor.
boys. Get ready. Look at the crown. Hold. Wait only. On the crown. Get ready. 5, east side. 4, 3, 2, 1. East side on the crown, boys. On the crown.
Engage demon CD. Engage demon
Listen, they're
CD.
gonna engage on the gate. Careful. They're looking
Reload,
inside.
reload.
Defend inside. Heal up front line pass.
Garden CD. Garden
Heal
CD.
up my front line pass. Yo, boys, first the heals in the front line. Why the people still dying in the front? Careful, spread.
Get broken. Get broken.
Careful on that wall.
Spread
They're
southwest
gonna
side.
engage on that wall,
Spread
guys.
southwest side. Careful, okay? Listen. Get ready. You get ready to walk in brawlers. Get ready to walk in and spam easy, okay? Just wait.
Bomb on the wall.
Careful. They're stepping up again. They're looking.
Looking over the wall dito.
Hold on. Yeah, ready defenses. They're looking, okay?
Ready to defend,
They're
guys.
looking
Ready to
now.
defend.
Get ready. Hold on. Yeah, listen. When they engage, brawlers walk in, okay? Malika,
Ready to
my
walk in.
DPS we engage
Ready to
shallow,
walk in.
okay?
Ready to soak. Ready to
Yo,
defend.
Malika, get ready. Shallow on me. Hold, shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me.
Engage demon CD. Engage demon
Listen,
CD.
spread
Cleanses.
southwest. Spread southwest. Why do I have people dying over the wall? Yo, heal Amaros. 7 HP on the north side. Yo, niggas, healers. There's like a
1 HP guy here on the west side.
Reset.
Oh my god, he's not getting healed at all.
Heal, gago, tangin.
Spread.
Caller inching up. Enemy caller inching up.
They're looking shallow. Defend shallow.
Looking.
Defend shallow. Yo, step up. Malik, get ready. Look at me. On the crown shallow. On the tank shallow. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where's the exalted, man?
Engage demon CD.
Fucking hell, man. Like, there's a lot of silence on top of me and there's no exalted at all. The spread southwest. Heal my front line. Spread southwest. They're looking on the chokes. Defend now. Brawlers walk in. Brawlers brawl their backline. Marlika, look at the tank shallow. So, hey, tank shallows. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tank shallow.
Engage demon CD. Looking.
Spread southwest side. Listen. Spread southwest side. Tokontol looking. Tokontol walking deep. Spread. You can click the gate. He's looking. Defend inside. Marlika, DPS, get ready. He's the last engage, careful. Oh, Marlika, look at me, west side, west side, west side, west side, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, west side now, 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 west side now. Come back, come back, spread, spread and heal up, spread and heal up, spread and heal up, spread and heal up, spread and heal up. Yo, listen, spread and heal up, 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 spread. They're looking north deep, they're looking, okay? They're looking north, 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 ready defenses. Defend shallow, defend shallow, defend shallow, defend shallow. Heal up, heal up, heal up. Marlika, look at me.
Engage
Marlika,
Demon
look at
CD,
me,
engage
look at me,
Demon
look at
CD.
me. Marlika,
7
look at me.
seconds.
Find the ground. Get ready, look at north choke, look at the choke, okay? On the choke, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, choke only.
Ready defend. They have counter, they have
Come
counter.
back. Spread. They're gonna push, careful, they're gonna push. Careful inside. Tokon to looking inside.